It is Tuesday, September 1st, and this is CONCACAF VideoSignals. On today's show, we'll preview Saturday's Honduras Trinidad and Tobago World Cup qualifier. Plus, we have the CONCACAF quiz. We start with CONCACAF World Cup qualifying, which picks up on Saturday with 3 crucial games. The USA welcomes El Salvador to the Rio Tinto Stadium in Sandy, Utah, while Mexico travels to San Jose to face Costa Rica. Also, in San Pedro Sula, Honduras meets Trinidad and Tobago, and we'll preview that game right now. Honduras is 8-2-4 in 14 2010 WCQs, with a perfect 7-0-0 record at home. Carlos Cosli is the Catrachos' top scorer with 6 qualifying goals, including 5 in his last 4. Honduras has scored 3 or more goals in 4 of its 7 home qualifiers. Trinidad and Tobago has a WCQ record of 5 wins, 4 ties, and 5 losses, scoring and conceding 19 goals. They have 2 wins and 2 ties in 7 away games. Keon Daniel has been their top scorer in qualifying with 4 goals, but he has not scored since the 3-0 win over Cuba on November 19th of last year. Honduras and Trinidad have met in qualifying on 6 previous occasions. Honduras has 2 wins as compared to Trinidad's 1. There have been 3 ties. The Catrachos have never beaten the Soca Warriors at home in qualifying in 2 attempts. The last time they met in a WCQ in San Pedro Sula, Trinidad won 1-0 nearly 8 years ago. A look at the table shows that Trinidad and Tobago realistically needs to win this game to maintain any hope of capturing an automatic place in South Africa. Tomorrow, we'll preview the USA-El Salvador encounter. Now it is time for today's CONCACAF quiz. Yesterday, we asked you the following question. The last time the USA hosted El Salvador in a World Cup qualifier was on September 4th, 2004. Where was the game played? Thanks to all who replied. The game was played at Gillette Stadium in Foxborough, Massachusetts. For today's question, we go to Honduras. For which team does Honduran international Ramon Nunez play? If you think you know the answer, please send an email to videosignals@concacaf.org by 12 p.m. New York time tomorrow. If you answer correctly, your name will be placed into a weekly contest. The winner will receive a prize from CONCACAF. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for joining us at Video Signals, your source for CONCACAF news.